Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install Classic Offensive. So what you're gonna want to do is click on the first link in the description. This will send you to this. The links might be updated in the future if there are problems. I might add a secondary link where you can directly download it. This was from someone else. And of course, when you're downloading files from other people, be cautious. So what you're going to do is going to click up here, organize, my drive. You will need a Google account for this. What you're going to do is going to create a folder. So I already did that, but it will not work. I'm going to create a new folder. You can call it whatever you want. And then you're going to want to do this and put the shortcut inside of there. I already put it here, so I'm going to drag it in there. And then what you're going to do is to bypass Google's traffic and quotas. You're going to want to download the folder that you just put it in. It's going to take a while since you're downloading an entire Counter-Strike. So it's going to take a while, so be patient. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to show you right here. This is what it's going to look once you have it fully downloaded. So this, you're going to extract it. Going to extract the folder, and then you're going to get this. So where you're going to want to, here's the finished product. You're going to want to go to Steam, and a non-Steam game, browse, and select CSCO.exe. Once you have that selected, it'll show you options for launch options. You're going to want to put this, which I will also have the link in the description. So when you launch it, there should hopefully not be any bugs.
Wait, come back.
So anyways, that's how you download Classic Offensive. And yeah.